What's up, y'all? It's your boy Z. I'm back with a new YouTube video. I'm actually super excited for this one. So last month I was trading with my funded trader funded account. I did a breakdown a couple of months ago on my pinning on the funded trader night challenge, and with this night challenge I was able to grow the account up to 10% with a 10K withdrawal. Now let's not waste no time. I want to show you a breakdown of a couple of the trades that I took to get that account up to 8%. In that breakdown, I show my way of thinking, how I was looking at the market. I talk a little bit about my strategy, and I just give you guys a thorough breakdown of what you can expect looking for a high probability setup. So let's check it out, guys.
What's up, y'all? All right, now let's get straight into it. So I'm in my trading hub for the funded trader. Let's just go to my dashboard. Okay, and as you can see here, I'm in my night's challenge funded account. So this is one of my funded accounts that I have with the funded trader. You can see where my equity is at. I held a position that has me at this daily loss. So a little bit of drawdown on a position on Euro sells. So that's why it's showing that the market is currently closed though. You can see my profit share, and just so you can see that this is not like some weird screenshot. Reload it, right? So currently up about 8% on the account. Pretty steady growth here, as you can see. So I want to do a quick breakdown on one of the trades that I took. And if you haven't seen my video, the only strategy you need to get funded, this strategy is the same strategy I used to get to this 8% on one of my trades. So let's get straight into Euro USD. So you can see here we have the Euro USD chart. Um, you see these fair value gaps. I have this fair value gap indicator. I just love to use it. Just makes it easy for me to find fair value gaps instead of marking it. And normally, you'd see a lot of people do stuff like this, right? And then draw your lines and create your fair value gap yourself. I'm not trying to do all that. I just don't have the time. I'd rather just have it there. And Nephew Sam killed it with this indicator. So if you don't know Nephew Sam, he's like a king of making indicators. He's really dope. Check him out. But anyway, so let's go to the daily on Euro. Right. So typically, actually, let's go to weekly, because I always like to start off on a weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, we were bearish. You can see we've been bearish for a few weeks, right? And then coming into so on a weekly time frame, you can see we were bearish coming in the past few weeks, right? And then that the previous week I was trading the funded account, or the week I was trading. So coming into the week, you could see that previous weeks were all bearish. We left this nice fair value gap here, and in a week I was trading my funded account. You could see that if you do bar replay, we had this fair value gap that wasn't filled. So what I was looking at is a drawn liquidity, right? So first, typically you want to find what is overall drawn liquidity, where's price going, right? So if I believe price is bearish, right? I'm gonna expect for easy drawn liquidity is to come down here, and we also have these lows, right? So liquidity comes in form of highs and lows, um, fair value gaps, et cetera, right? So this is my drawn liquidity for the week, coming into the week with the funding account. Now, I typically want to see some sort of retracement before going into my drawn liquidity. So I like to see an opposing move, right? Typically on the higher low of the week we can create on Tuesday or Wednesday, or some sort of reversal profile on a Thursday. So going into the week, let's go to the daily. So we had Friday come in here and I closed here. And you can see we had this relative equal highs here. We didn't quite just take it out. We also have this order block um sitting here. And thing is, people don't understand, like, order blocks, just because price taps into it once, like you see here once, twice, doesn't mean that it can't tap into it again, right? So we can of course come back up here at least one more time. So that's really what I was anticipating for. If we go to 4 hour, and now you can see how price leaves this form of liquidity here, right? So now we have a liquidity pool sitting up here. We have previous weekly highs, right? And then we have Friday's high being left here, right? So now we had a strong push up on Friday. So I was expecting some sort of retracement into here to then take out this liquidity pool. And then the bigger move of the week is really what I was looking for, which is sells. I was able to catch this move here coming early into the week. So now what I typically want to see is price create the low of the week, Tuesday or Wednesday, right? So I typically avoid Mondays going into the week. So let's go ahead and hit play. See price play out. Okay, we're sitting at Monday. I really just want to get to Tuesday and kind of show you what's going on. Bam. So Tuesday we come in, right? Create a deep retracement. Now, let me explain that this low here, I want to see being held, because if this low is being broken and we had to close below this low, this would be a break of structure to me, and we would just, in my eyes, we just be continuing down. So now I want to see some sort of bullish, um, bullish movement happening here. I want to see orders starting to stack for a continuation to the upside to take this out. So now that it's Tuesday, right? So this is Tuesday at 5 a.m. So it's London. Let's go into 1 hour. Kind of see what we have going on. So we have this area of supply that we're sitting in. Sorry, this area of demand that we're sitting in. So we have this area of demand that we're sitting in. And now I want to start to see price create bullish movement to the upside and start giving me a confirmation that I want to see. And I want to see all of this during the kill zone time. So let's hit play. So we could see price is starting to hold in this area. Now we're having break up to the upside. So this is good. So now it's Tuesday, right? So this is potentially the low of the week. Let's go to a smaller time frame. I typically look for entries on a 15 or 30 minute. I'm gonna stick to 15. That's what I was looking at. And a trade I caught was on the 9th, which was on Wednesday. So all through Tuesday, Asia, we're just kind of coming up and down, up and down. We have this drop here. Speed this up a little bit. So you see here now we're starting to create higher highs and lower highs. So there's a simple market structure being created, right? So it's telling me this area is holding well, right? So now I'm just waiting for my time to come in. So typically I trade the London session, or New York session, and I'm looking for the entry on the London or New York kill zone times. So you still see here we're on Tuesday. So now we're in Asia. So what I would typically do here is I'll start going different time frames, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, kind of see if it's creating new areas of supply, right? So now we have this area here. Typically I'll go on a 2 hour, 3 hour time frame. Um, see that we're creating new areas of demand. I want to start seeing the story being held for to the upside. So I want to see demand holding, supply failing. And now here, Wednesday, I'm waiting for price to come back down here, take out this low to continue, right? And then my objective is to take out this liquidity pool. Yeah, so looking for a trade to go long here. I don't want to see price go below this area. I want to see this wick here being taken out. And then I'm going to go take out this liquidity pool right around here. Of course, I want to see all of this happen during my London session or New York session. So we come in here, right? Bam, right at 8 o'clock, right at 8, New York kill zone on Wednesday, tapped into the trade. Continue, and then finally hit TP. Yeah. And this confirmation, right, is based off of the strategy in my video, right? So I want to see liquidity being taken out, going to an area of supply or demand during a kill zone time, and then on a smaller time frame, you're looking for entries, which we got here, taken out, a retracement, and then pulled up. So beautiful trade on Euro. And then if you guys were trading Euro this last week, now you can see we're in area of supply, and then we had this crazy pushback down, right? So that's why I was telling you gotta look at the higher time frame, because on the higher time frame, this was above this liquidity pool. We had that order block, so you can see we reacted over it nicely. I caught some of this drop as well, and then going into the week and for the rest of the month of August, I'm just looking for bearish momentum down. So Euro and GBP sell for the rest of the week. So anyway, this is the breakdown on one of the trades that I took. I hope this video helped. If you guys have any questions, make sure you DM me, find me on social media, Instagram, Twitter. I'd love to help out traders because I've been through the struggles and the ups and downs, and you know, it takes guidance and it takes someone to help I'm here by all means. So make sure you guys hit me up. Please like and subscribe for this video. Looking to put out a lot more content out in the near future. Trying to drop a video every, once a week, if I can. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Appreciate the support. See you guys soon.